Them both. You can see. Oh no, I didn't do anything. So cute. That is pretty cute, you guys. Let me see if I can just get. Oh, Bok! No, no! I wanted the picture. Snugglings. Come get snuggle. Come, come, come. Did I ruin everything? But it's a picture. Come, come, come. Come sit with your sister. That's it. Aww. And I do like squish them together. And squish them together like this. And then they're together. Look. Look how sweet. You good together? Take care of each other? You take care of each other? You like won't look at each other? Bok and Snowdrop. Good girl. Take care. Which is what she does. She just goes, "Arr!" Goes, "Ah!" Because she's stressed out. Stressed out. Stressed out chickens. Stressed out chicken. Stressed. Don't be stressed out. What's this? This is weird. The chicken heads. Chicken heads. Chicken. Yeah. Okay. Oh, my feather came out. You're molting.